I want to officially welcome you to my luxurious apartment in Accra, Ghana. I hope you're ready. Luxurious? You should find out if it is luxurious or not. So, but the bottom line is I've officially moved in here and you are welcome. So let's go inside of my newly moved in apartments in Accra, Ghana and see. From the entrance, this is what it looks like. Luxury! Lily, where is the luxury? I know, right? I know you're asking that. This is the living room and it's completely empty. There is nothing inside for now, apart from the cute two little lights that I have. So, as empty as it is. Yeah, this is actually what I don't understand initially, but I know what to do about it when the time comes. From the living room, you go this way. So, yes, this is my tea. I'm drinking chocolate, Milo milk, and ginger. This is going to be my filming area. As you can see, it's really tiny, but for now, this is going to save. It has this window here, and you supply the lighting that I want, and it's okay to just start filming from here until I move into a bigger space. This door here leads to the balcony of the apartment, but I don't want to do the balcony tour for today, so let's leave it for another time. From here, I think we should go to the kitchen first, which is my favorite area of the house. Yay! You are welcome to my kitchen. The light looks like, when I'm ready, I'm going to get one fan and have it here. The first day I saw this apartment, it was the kitchen for me. The kitchen was love at first sight. This is what you see. Irish potato, onions, garlic and ginger. I like to have this always in my kitchen. Here is my water, my drinking water. Let me open it so that I show you guys what is in the lock here. Okay, these are just my plates, which you probably have seen in my other videos before this. This plate is on my own. I'm definitely going to return it to the owner. This is my plate area. This is my blender. For now, this is all that I have here. This one. Alright, so here I have my salt, thyme, I have my seasoning cube, I have my oil there, and I have my gari, that is cassava flour or cassava flake, whichever, and I have my rice as this is my raw honey. I have a bit of alcohol there if I need it for anything. This is my Milo chocolate, and that is my flat tummy tea. And here is my milk. I emptied all these things and put them in the container. I think it's better, safer here inside the container. And what is there? These are my napkins for cooking. That's all for here, which I forgot to show you guys earlier. Here, and I have another socket here. If you're wondering what is here, is waste bin. All the boxes and wraps, paper of things that I got, putting it there. Later, I'm going to take it out, take it outside and put it inside the waste bin outside. Let's open it. Okay, this is where I'm going to be keeping my pots and so on. These are just some random bags that I have to keep. I may need them someday, or someone comes to, or if somebody needs them, I can easily come here and get it. Nothing is here for now. Nothing for now. Almighty first meal that I prepared yesterday. Here is the stew. This rice last night. It's just the sponge I use in washing my plates and the liquid soap that I use. And here is my electrical stove. Broom and my packer. I am so traditional that I like to use an actual broom when sweeping. I like to use an actual broom. Let's go straight to my bedroom. Welcome to my bedroom. Yay! That is the entrance right there. These curtains, and I think the color is upward. I'm going to change it pretty soon. This is what it freaky looks like. Oh my god, I got a bed. Not a full bed per se. It's just those mattress beds that you can easily get. The one you buy like this with the mattress. So I felt like it made sense to just buy this instead of buying the mattress, and then the stress of buying the bed will be there. It will be, you know, it will be bothering me that, oh my god, when will I buy a bed? So I just like, okay, let me just do it this way, which if you check is way cheaper than buying a separate mattress and a bed. Very imperfect, and I love it that way so that you guys can see how imperfect my life is. So my bed is actually big. It's a queen size. This is going to fit perfectly for about 3 people. Good. Fine at about the time I went to this shop. Please don't laugh at me, okay? These curtains here, it's just too small for my window. My window is double window, and I didn't know that. So until I go back and I called the person that installed the curtains, so he wanted to not do it. So I told him to just do it so that he can cover me, because I realized that people can see me from outside even when I put off the lights, because the estate management has their own lights that they control and you can't put it off on your own. So it was really inventing my privacy. Once I'm ready, I'm going to change it, take this one to either the kitchen or the living room for a smaller window, and then get another one for my room. Oh my god, this is, I'm made in Ghana. Ghana made me, actually. This is the evidence that Ghana made me. So the first night I moved in here, I slept on this mat before I got the bed later. So these are my things. This is my camera bag. It's supposed to be my camera bag, but now I've turned it into a cosmetics bag. My life is so imperfect, unorganized. I'm sorry. Put it on the bed. You're better here. Okay, now let's go to the bathroom. Yeah, this is my bathroom. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh my god. Okay, here is my mirror. This bucket at Maycom. This is where you have your tissue, and this is the shower, the magic shower. This is my hair shampoo, hair conditioner, black soap. That is what I used to bath most of the time. Flat tummy gel, I have to keep it here. It's the best place. This is my detergent soap, and this is my soap for washing clothes. This space is going to be here for now until I find solution to where I'll put them. To wipe my legs, because when I finish showering, my legs and my body will be wet, so I use that to wipe it. This one is the one for hair conditioner, and the one for fan, and the one for lights. I got this fan yesterday, so I want it white, and my pretty lights, there are 2, and this is my horrible looking curtains. They look so off. I don't like them. Okay, here is where my paid meter is, kept my card and so on. I think it's time to have my tea and speak to you guys. I did not want to do like a house tour at all, but at some point I just like changed my mind. I changed my mind. As a content creator, there are things that you don't know which of your video would just be, you know, helpful to someone and bring you good tidings like subscribers and money, and also brings you lasting relationships. So I don't take anything for granted. I actually didn't want to do like a house tour at all, but it's fine. I finally did it and I'm happy I did. Hope you enjoyed the video. I could tell you guys the price, but what is the point actually? What is the point? Because you can see a place like this in Accra here and it will be way cheaper than mine. And you can also see a place in Accra here and it will be lots more expensive than this. So don't worry about the price. But how I got this house is through Gigi Ghana, Gigi online, gigi.com. So if you're looking for an apartment and you don't know anybody, just like me, I didn't know anyone that could be of help in terms of, you know, renting an apartment. So I use Gigi. The internet is there for you. Just be careful. Be careful. That's all, okay? But in Ghana here, people will hardly scam you like that. But you still have to be very vigilant, because some people will have an apartment that is no longer available. They will lie to you that is available. So just be very careful and be sure that you are paying your money to the right owner of the place, or the authorized owner of the property. So don't go give your money to any agent, okay? The agent job is to link you to the right place, to the apartment owner, and then their job is not to collect your money. The only thing you hold them is 10% of the rent that you paid for 1 year. So that's it. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Cheers. Bye.